In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your folders in Windows 11 fast. We're going to use a built-in Windows feature called Encrypt Contents to secure data. It's quick, it doesn't require any downloads, and it ties the folder's contents to your Windows account, so only you can open them while you're signed in. Here's how to do it. First, decide which folder you want to protect. If your files are scattered, move them into a single folder to keep this simple. Right-click the folder, choose Properties, then click the Advanced button near the bottom of the General tab. In the Advanced Attributes window, check the box that says Encrypt Contents to secure data. Then click OK. Back in Properties, click Apply. You'll be asked whether to apply encryption to just that folder or to the folder, subfolders, and files. If the folder already has files inside, choose the option that includes subfolders and files, so everything gets protected together. Click OK, and Windows will start encrypting. This typically takes only a moment, but larger folders may take longer. Once it's done, Windows marks the folder and its contents as encrypted and restricts access to your user account. That means if someone signs in with a different account on the same PC, or plugs your drive into another computer, they won't be able to open those files. The first time you encrypt, Windows may prompt you to back up your encryption certificate. Do this right away. Click the prompt, follow the wizard to export the certificate to a safe location, ideally an external drive, and protect that backup with a strong password. This certificate is what lets Windows decrypt your files if you move to a new profile or reinstall. Keep it private and store it somewhere secure. To verify it worked, open the folder as you normally would. Everything should open fine for you. For an extra check, sign into a different local account on the same PC and try to open the files. They should be inaccessible. A few tips to keep things secure. This method doesn't show a pop-up password prompt. It relies on your Windows sign-in. So make sure your account has a strong password or PIN and that you lock your screen when you step away. If you ever need to remove protection, repeat the steps. Uncheck Encrypt Contents to secure data and apply the change. If you're protecting an entire drive, consider full disk encryption like BitLocker. And if you need to share a protected folder with someone else, use a secure archive tool that supports passwords. That's it. Fast, built-in, and effective.